Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are diving into different type of agents available in Google ADK. Broadly, ADK agents fall into three different categories. First, LLM agent. We already seen this LLM agent, how it works in my previous video. If you are not aware of that, please check out my previous video. Second, workflow agent, which manage structured execution like sequence, loops, and parallel operations. So we will see more details in this video. And third, custom agent, which allow you to implement completely tailored logic and behavior beyond the standard template. We will check this in the next upcoming videos. We are going to look at the workflow agent in action. The process starts with the code writer agent. It takes the user specification and generates the initial code. Next, the code is passed to the code reviewer agent. It reviews the code, correctness, style, performance, and best practices. Finally, the code refactor agent steps in. It applies the review feedback and improves the code. All these agents works in a fixed sequence powered by the sequential agents. We will see the entire flow and demo in this video. Now let's talk about workflow agent. These are specialized agent in ADK. Unlike LLM agent that focuses on reasoning or generation, but workflow agent act more like directors, orchestrating how and when each agent in the pipeline runs. They don't generate content themselves. Instead, they coordinate the logic between multiple agents to complete complex tasks. So the behavior of the workflow agent is it operates on a predefined logic, which means that behavior is deterministic and predictable. But in LLM agent, the behavior is non-deterministic. Whether it is running steps in a fixed sequence, looping through iterations, or executing agents in parallel, the flow is always consistent and repeatable. This makes workflow agent ideal for structured pipeline where reliability and control are more important than creativity or flexibility. Workflow agents are classified into three types. One, sequential agent. This agent executes its sub-agent one after the another in a fixed order. As shown here, the input flows into sub-agent 1 which runs first. Once it finishes, sub-agent 2 is triggered. Sequential agents is ideal when you need a strict step-by-step pipeline like code writing, code reviewing, and code refactoring. So next, loop agent. So unlike the sequential agent which runs one from start to finish, the loop agent executes a sub-agent in a loop either for a fixed number of iterations or until a exit condition is met. This makes loop agent perfect for iterative tasks like improvising a document draft or retrying tool calls until success. The final one is the parallel agent. As the name suggests, the agent is designed to run multiple sub-agents in parallel, all at the same time instead of one after the another. This is a perfect when you need to perform multiple independent tasks like translation into different languages, running various sentiment analysis, or querying different data sources all at once. It is efficient, fast, and ensures that your workflow scales horizontally. Our objective in this demo is simple but powerful. We are going to build an AI powered code pipeline agent. This agent will automate the full development cycle from writing code to reviewing it from the issues and finally refactoring it for the better quality. All the users has to do is enter a plain English specification and the agent takes care of its rest. It's like having a junior developer, a code reviewer and a senior refactor all working together behind the scenes. Our pipeline begins with a code writer agent. The agent is an LLM powered by a Gemini 1.5 Flash model. Its solo job is to take user natural language prompt like writing a function to check the palindrome or rot and generate a valid code to fulfill the request. We instruct the agent to return only a properly formatted code block and no extra text. Its output is stored in a variable called generated code. Next, the code reviewer agent comes in. The agent is designed to behave like a professional code reviewer. It takes the code written by a code writer agent and evaluates it thoroughly using a well-defined checklist. If the code is already great, it is simply replaced with no major issues found. Next, code refactor agent. This is the final step of our code pipeline. This agent takes the original code and review commands as input and applies those suggestions to improvise the code. It fixes logical bugs, clean up the code for better readability, optimize for the performance. Finally, the sequential agents. The agent orchestrates the entire pipeline by running each sub-agent in a fixed predefined order, from writing the initial code, reviewing it, and refactoring it. The beauty of the sequential agent is a deterministic execution. Each agents run one after the other, guaranteeing a predictability and repeatable workflow. After running the code, I am entering write a Java program to sort a list. Here our code writer agent writes logic and reviewer reviews the code and refactor prints the output here. So here you can see the code written as first initializing the list and checking null condition and finally sorting the list using collections. Now let me test it in another way like Let me remove the CodeReviewerAgent from the SequentialAgent flow and test it out. Here you can see that there is no null condition check from the list and the code is not in a readable way. So now you understand how the reviewer works here. So it is organizing our code properly and just optimizing in the readable way. Then finally, I'm going to remove the refactor agent. So without refactor agent, the same issue, it's not printing as it is. It is printing whatever the prompt we have given, it is printing it. So in this video, I have shown you one of the types of the workflow agent. Still, there are two more agents are pending. Based on your interest, we will create you a next video on this too. If you find this video useful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel to get similar kind of tech videos. We'll see you in the next one soon. Thank you.